The unfortunate thing is we also need to save, to invest. But the unfortunate thing is more than 80% are not able to save. The opportunity being offered today is revolutionary. You don't need to save. You only need to know how to spend. This is the message that I'd like to share with you today. Spend to save. And the simple formula is gold. Let me quote Ray Dalio, the founder of the biggest hedge funds in the world, Bridgewater Associates. He says, if you don't own gold, you know neither history nor economics. So gold is a very, very significant asset in our life. It goes down to the fundamentals of economics. If you want to be comfortable in the future, you have to convert your currency into an asset that continuously grows in value. What asset grows in value continuously? An asset that is rare, scarce, an asset that is in high demand, and an asset that is liquid, that easily exchangeable. Right now, there's only one asset that meets that requirement. It's gold. And for the first time, as I know of, only one company today offers you that opportunity to convert your cash into gold and back to cash. It is now unlocking the power of gold in your life. So listen to the presentation, listen to what they have to say, and listen to the company behind it. I have done my personal due diligence, and as of now, this is not a scam. This is not networking. This is for real. So I hope you listen, because this is not also for everybody. You need to understand what you're doing every time you talk about money. So with that, let me give you my advice again. Before you start anything, have a purpose, have a target, have a timeline.
Okay. So let's start po. So this is the title of our presentation. Preserve and enhance your wealth with gold. So good morning, everyone. Welcome to our Zoom presentation. So can I know where are you from? Kasi I cannot see your videos. So hello Metro Manila. Hello Cebu. Hello from Cagayan de Oro, from Leyte, of course from Butuan. No, hello. Baka merong gustong magpa-shout out. Shout out. Okay, so this is the title of our presentation. So hi Ma'am Judy, good morning. Si Ma'am Gingging, good morning po. So here in Quantum Metal, it's always gold morning. Kahit madaling araw, kahit gabi, it's gold morning. Okay, so I will be your speaker for tonight. No, for this gold morning, I will be your speaker. So I'm broadcasting live from Butuan City. So I'm here in Butuan City, and I will be your short speaker for today. And my name is Erneline Rose de Castro Balderas. No, I'm a certified public accountant by profession. So very active po ako sa aking organization, no? So I had been the president of our chapter for 2 terms already, and I'm a past auditor of the PricewaterhouseCoopers in the Philippines, no? So si Joaquin Cunanan and Company. So currently I have been in the mining industry for more than 14 years. So magpi 15 years na po ako in the mining industry. Tapos meron din po akong small business. So if you happen to come to Butuan, meron po akong homestay. O di ba? Pag speaker ka, may libreng plug. may business ad pwede, di ba? And right now, I'm also a consultant of Quantum Metals. Nung March lang po ako naging consultant. So that's me, no, your speaker for for today. So just call me Ernst for short. Yung homestay ko po is Homestay by Ernst. Okay, so let's start. Now, this will be my presentation for the outline para mag-guide po tayo. So number one, I'll explain why gold and then the company profile, the products and services of the company, and then I'll show you some testimonials, and then I will show you how to join and earn real passive income here in Quantum Metal. And of course, if you have questions, I will just give signal when you can ask question po para tuloy-tuloy po yung ating presentation. So because maybe yung mga questions mo, we can answer it along the way na po, okay? So let us begin. So, why gold? So, bakit po gold ang pinag-uusapan natin? Because, throughout history, gold has been widely regarded as a dependable source of preserving wealth. Over the ages, it has performed various functions. So, it is a precious metal and limited natural resource. So, gold is used not only as jewelries, but also in electronics, in machines, medicine, dentistry, even space exploration, among many others. So, consider din po si gold as God's money. In fact, hindi po man-made si gold, In fact po, for Christians, gold has been mentioned in the Bible 417 times, And gold cannot be printed or replicated. And man go to great lengths just to acquire gold, di ba? So, alam natin, men sometimes, pag may mga shipwrecks, may mga ancient tombs, dinidig niya ng tao just for the gold. Diba? So, on average, in mining po, where in the industry where I am, so it takes about 1 ton of soil just to mine 2 grams of gold. So, and it takes a big capital para po mag-mina ng gold. That's why it's very, very precious. So, used as exchange, as money to exchange and represent wealth. So, alam po natin, di ba? Pag maraming gold ang isang tao, normally we associate him or her as very wealthy and powerful. And if we go back to history, the real money is gold, not the paper money that we have right now. So, yung paper money po natin is just claim stuff that you have stored gold. But, it started with gold as payment for goods and services, back in the days. So, since it's very inconvenient na magdala-dala yung tao ng gold, so iniiwan nung mga tao sa goldsmith yung kanilang gold, and then the goldsmith will issue them paper, parang proof na meron silang gold na nakastore, di ba? So it started the banking system, and so then the government learned how to print money. Tapos dapat yung paper money back up ng gold. So however, hindi na po back up ng gold yung ating money today. So yung Philippine money natin, di ba? Makita niyo yung pesos natin. Ito ay pananagutan ng Republika ng Pilipinas, but our paper money in the Philippines is no longer back up by gold. It's back up by the US dollar. Pero yung US dollar po, hindi na rin siya back up ng gold because what happened in 1971, President Nixon took out the gold standard, and all the currencies are no longer back up by gold. So, and the government printed so much money resulting to inflation. So, mabilis po ba yung aking, react lang po kayo if I'm too fast or para I make it slower. So, the next reason, bakit po gold ang pinag-uusapan natin? Because gold is a store of value. It does not corrode, gold, hindi po siya maprinta, hindi makopya, and it's a store of value. So, for example, if you have 100,000 pesos of cash right now, and then worth 100,000 of gold, No, just imagine after 10 years what happens, 'di ba? Your paper money devaluates, so bumababa yung value niya, but yung gold natin is nag-i-increase ng value. And then another reason why gold, it's a portfolio diversification with negative correlation to stocks and other financial instruments. No? So, yung gold po ay inversely correlated with stocks, real estate, bonds, and other money market instrument because it has its own value. So, in stocks, you rely on profits. In real estate, you rely on rentals. But in gold, you don't rely on anything but its own value. So, whatever happens po sa stock market, no, if the stock market mag-crash siya, gold is not affected. Pag mag-down din ng real estate market, gold is also not affected kasi may sarili siya na movement si gold. And then hedge against inflation and fiat currency. So the overprinting of money causes inflation, which results in the decrease of our purchasing power. So during inflation, diba, we feel the prices of goods, diba, go up. Pero ang reality po, ang nangyayari, our paper money goes down in value. So we need more money to buy the same amount of goods. So during financial crisis, di ba? People tend to transfer their wealth to gold as a safe haven. Okay? Now, and some economists predict that there is crisis coming, so we need to prepare. So just imagine po, no? Yung 1,000 pesos natin if you go to the groceries, di ba? So, yung 1,000, yung mabibili ng ating 1,000 pesos, that's just the equivalent of 28 pesos back in the 1980s. No? If we have 1,000 pesos in the 1980s, punong-puno na yung ating mga groceries. Diba? Yung grocery basket natin. Okay? And then, another reason why gold, there is tax-free advantage in gold. So, maganda talaga si gold. Okay, now next slide, I'm going to show you, this is the actual 10-year gold performance, no? In the last 10 years, tingnan niyo po what happens to the price of gold in the world market. So see, very volatile po siya, magtaas baba yung gold price, but in the long term, talagang tataas yung gold because gold is becoming more in demand as the years go by. So if you can see in the graph, di ba? Nung 2014, gold was still about mga 2,000 or mga 2,000 to 2,200 per gram or 2 million per kilo. So, today, gold is an all-time high, no? If you check right now as we are speaking, no, the gold price right now, magkano na, di ba, Mamalu? It's about 4,500 to 4,600 per gram. So just amazing, 'di ba? If you have gold 10 or 20 years ago, magkano na ang value ng gold mo today? Okay? So buying gold is an exchange of currency. So when you buy gold, you are just exchanging your paper money with gold. So as opposed to buying jewelry, no? Buying gold jewelry kasi, di ba, when you speak of gold, normally we associate it with jewelry. Bili tayo ng maraming alahas. But when you buy gold jewelry, it is spending daw pala. Why? Because when you buy jewelry, you pay for the design, the craftsmanship, the labor, of course, the dealer's profit. But when you need money, so ipiprenda mo, di ba? Ipupon mo yung jewelry mo, you only get mga siguro 50%, 'di ba? 50% of your the value of your gold. And then bigyan ka pa ng interest ng mga 3 to 4% per month. But after 4 months, no, pag hindi mo ma-default na, pag hindi mo mabayaran yung interest mo, no? So mareremit na or subject to auction na yung gold. But if you want an investment, no, you have to buy the gold bullion. Dapat daw pala, gold bullion yung bibilhin natin. It's because when you buy gold bullion, you are paying for the real value of gold. Of course, no, if you want to wear your gold, syempre you buy jewelry, especially for us no mga babae. Mahilig tayo sa alahas. So if you want to wear your gold, by all means po, no, buy jewelry. But if you want for investment, then you should have the 24 karat. You buy the pure gold. Okay? So now I'll talk about the company profile. So the name of the company is Quantum Metal. Okay? Quantum Metal started the business in July 2012. So if kwentahin natin, no, 2012 pa siya nag-start. So Quantum Metal is already 12 years in the business. Siya po ang largest gold bar distributor in Malaysia because in Malaysia, banks are selling gold, no, unlike here in the Philippines. So, si Quantum Metal po ang nagdi-distribute ng gold. Now, Quantum Metal is present in 16 countries. So, very fast po yung expansion ni Quantum Metal. So, target po natin 60 countries, no? So, Quantum Metal also owns a mining company, no? In fact, naga-finance din si Quantum Metal ng other mining companies. So, if you check Besra Gold, no? Besra Gold in Australia, si Quantum Metal po ang nag-finance niyan. Okay? And may sarili rin pong bullion bank si Quantum Metal. This used to be Australian Bullion Bank, but binili ni Quantum Metal kaya QM Bullion Bank na siya. Trading participant din si Quantum Metal, and of course, Sharia compliant. Later, I'll talk about what Sharia is. Okay? Now, Quantum Metal is now in the Philippines as Quantum Metal Philippines Incorporated. Yung official address po natin or yung main address natin is in Cebu City. Sa likod lang po ng Ayala Center. If you have been to Cebu, yung hindi mga taga Cebu, no, you have to visit our office. It's just at the back of Ayala Center sa Ayala FGU sa Cebu City. So, we also have an office in Ortigas City at the Medical Plaza building. And soon, we are going to have our office here in Butuan and Cagayan de Oro. So, may plano na po yung aming Butuan office so that we can also put up an office here in Butuan and soon all over the Philippines din po, no? So, it's expanding na po all throughout the Philippines. Now, here in the next slide, you can see this is Dato Lim Kong Soon. Siya po ang founder and executive chairman ng Quantum Metal. So, si Dato Lim Kong Soon po ay multi-awarded yan siya na businessman. Malaysian yan siya. And he was recently awarded in 2023 as the Distinguished Digital Entrepreneur Lifetime Achievement Awardee. And also this year, he was awarded as the ASEAN Distinguished FinTech Entrepreneur Lifetime Achievement Awardee. So yan po ang ating founder and executive chairman. So on the right picture, that is Dato Lim Kong Soon with Sir Muhammad Marin Escudero. So Muhammad Marin Escudero is a Cebuano now based in Malaysia. No, negosyante din po yan si Sir Marin. But based na siya in Malaysia, his family is already in Malaysia. Now, he saw the opportunity that Quantum Metal can help a lot of Filipinos. So, he brought Quantum Metal to the Philippines. So, si Sir Marin po ang responsible bakit meron po tayong Quantum Metal here in the Philippines. So, of course, the next picture, that is me po together with my partner, David from Butuan, no? This is during the grand launching of Quantum Metal Philippines in New Star Hotel and Casino in Cebu. So we went there po, no, para to join the grand launching and para ma-meet in person yung ating founder and executive chairman. Kasi of course, no, we need to do due diligence din on our side, especially me, no po, I am a CPA. So auditor po ako dati, so I have to make sure na legit po yung ating pinasukan na company. Okay? So, yan po. Si Dato Lim and Sir Marin Escudero. Okay? So, Quantum metal is also listed in NASDAQ. So what is NASDAQ? Ito po ang one of the biggest kasama po ng New York Stock Exchange, no? NASDAQ is considered as the king of stock exchange. This is based in New York. So this is where some of the biggest growth-oriented companies are listed, no? List po dyan si Apple, si Google, si Microsoft, si Meta or Facebook, si Tesla, no? Some of the biggest companies are listed in NASDAQ. So once listed ka sa NASDAQ, definitely you are a legitimate and solid company. And you must have top-notch management. So hindi po basta-basta no na ma-list in NASDAQ. So if you want to search NASDAQ, no, the website of NASDAQ, you can search QMEI. Yan po yung ating stock code in NASDAQ. So, Brinks Singapore. Ano po itong Brinks Singapore? Brinks Singapore is a third-party vault. No? More than 150 years na po itong Brinks na storage facility. So, kinontract po ito ni Quantum Metal. Dito po nakastore ang gold ng mga members ni Quantum Metal. So, our gold is stored in Brinks Singapore. And Brinks operate around the world. Even here in the Philippines, no, meron pong Brinks. Naga-safeguard po sila ng mga valuables, even yung mga precious jewelries of kings and queens all over the world. Okay? So, why Singapore? Because in Singapore, it's a free trade country and we also take advantage na tax-free po ang pag-store ng ating gold in Brinks. And then our gold in Brinks is 100% insured by Lloyd's of London. So Lloyd's of London, one of the top insurers in the world. Okay? So eto si Lloyd's of London, sikat po ito all over the world, no? Nag-insure ito ng mga cruise ships, mga big ships among other big clients. So it even insured the Titanic, no? And recently the Key Bridge in Baltimore. So malaki po ito si Lloyd's of London, no? Na even insurance companies nagapa-insure kay Lloyd's of London. And Lloyd's is also listed in NASDAQ. So this is our parent company, no, Quantum Metal Exchange. So it's a holding company with bullion-based fintech capacities through advanced technologies and cutting-edge corporate solutions. So yung parent company po natin is based in New York City in USA. Okay. The Perth Mint Australia Gold. So Perth Mint Australia Gold, if you heard of Perth Mint, no, sikat po itong Perth Mint Australia na gold because this is guaranteed by the Western government of Australia. So it's top of the line gold. Okay. Also, London Bullion Metal Exchange certified po si Perth Mint Australia. Okay. Exclusive distributor din po si Quantum Metal ng Perth Mint Gold. Okay. Here in the next slide, I'm showing you the legalities of Quantum Metal. So, syempre po, no, you need to present proof na legal si Quantum Metal. Here in the Philippines, we are SEC registered. So, yung registration po natin in the Philippines, it's buying and trading of precious metals through e-commerce. So, alam nyo na ngayon, no, if your business is not online, no, you will be left behind. So, eto po yung business ni Quantum Metal. Hindi po tayo investment company, hindi po tayo networking, hindi po tayo binary. So, trading lang po siya. We don't even need a secondary license because we are trading, buy and sell lang po tayo. Okay, and we also have our BIR registration. So, full compliance po tayo sa ating BIR registration. And we also have our business permit. And very important po, we are AMLA certified. Alam niyo po yung AMLA, no, very strict. The Anti-Money Laundering Council. So, certified po tayo sa AMLA because we are dealing with gold. And all our transactions are through the bank. So, through the bank po lahat ng transactions natin. You don't give money to any individual. You don't give money to me or to the person who invited you, hindi po siya pwede. So, bawal po sa amin tumanggap ng pera. No? If you want to transact with Quantum Metal, you have to transact with with the corporation po, no? So, yun. So, next slide, I'm going to show you, okay, I mentioned Sharia compliance, di ba? So, ano po itong Sharia? Okay, Sharia po is an Islamic financial rule which is very different from the financial system here in our country. So, sa Sharia po, very strict po si Sharia because marami pong prohibitions under Sharia. And very compliant po si Quantum Metal in Sharia. Okay, marami pong prohibitions. So, one of the many prohibitions in Sharia is paying or charging of interest. No? If you have gold kasi, 'di ba? Sometimes you can borrow, you can borrow sa Quantum Metal, no, from the value of your gold, but Quantum Metal will not charge any interest because bawal po siya under Sharia. Of course, bawal din po ang forbidden activities, gambling, pornography, drug money, bawal din po siya. Okay? And then uncertainty and risk, bawal din po siya under Sharia. And because Quantum Metal is compliant with Sharia, no? So, Quantum Metal does not sell what it does not have or it does not own. Okay? So, we do not sell digital, we do not sell a promise. So, once you put money here in Quantum Metal, there is an equivalent na physical gold. So, kaliwaan po tayo, no? So, if you put money, then bibigyan ka ni Quantum Metal ng equivalent na physical gold in exchange. So, kasi we comply with Sharia na bawal yung uncertainty and risk. And lastly, under Sharia, bawal din po ang speculation. So here in Quantum Metal, we do not speculate. So there is no promise po of profit here in Quantum Metal. Okay? So at the outset, sasabihin ko na po sa inyo, wala pong guarantee of profit in Quantum Metal. So paano po tayo kikita in Quantum Metal? So here in Quantum Metal, we earn based on the price of gold in the world market. Okay? So if the price of gold increases, so you profit, magpa-profit tayo, and then magpa-profit din po si company. Okay? And also the price of gold in the world market, hindi rin naman po yan siya, hindi rin yan siya controlled ni Quantum Metal, di ba? So, pag nag-increase yung price ng gold, kita tayo. Pag nag-down naman yung price ng gold in the world market, so yung binili mo na gold in Quantum Metal, for example, 100 grams, no? It's still 100 grams. So, nagbaba lang yung value niya. So, just like in the concept of, basic concept of trading, so we buy low, we sell high. Okay? So, pag nagtaas yung presyo, benta tayo, profit tayo. So, pag magbaba naman yung presyo, then that's the time to buy. Diba? Kasi we are trading. So, there is, ito po na slide, here is the corporate structure of Quantum Metal. So, as you can see, no, Quantum Metal is present all over the world. We have in Australia, US, UK, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Indonesia, Philippines, no? Recently, nag-open po yung Qatar and China, and incoming na daw po ang India and Dubai. So, just imagine po, no, yung ating reach ni Quantum Metal. Okay, this is the corporate ecosystem of Quantum Metal. This is why the business of Quantum Metal is sustainable. Because yung Quantum Metal po, hindi po siya stand-alone na company. No? Marami na po siyang support system. So from the holding company based in New York, yung Quantum Metal Exchange Inc., so under po ni parent company, yung ating upstream business. So what do you mean yung upstream business niya? Yung mining company niya. Okay? So that meron pong constant na supply ng gold. So meron siyang sariling mining company nag-finance siya ng mining companies. In fact, they are looking for more mining companies no to finance. And then we also have the Quantum Metal Capital. Ito po yung ating country partners all over the world. And then the Quantum Metal Bullion or the product owner. So nandito po yung ating marketing materials and QMS. And of course, meron po dito sa Quantum Metal, meron pong trainings, no? So for example, if you intend na seryosohin or mag-business ng Quantum Metal, meron pong trainings, no? Kasi hindi po basta-basta, hindi tayo basta-basta nagsasabi or nag-share ng Quantum Metal. So we have to undergo training. So yung training po natin is given by the corporate university which is based in London. So kasi nasa London siya, we do the training online and then after the training, mag-e-exam po, no? There is an exam for you to be certified na consultant in Quantum Metal. So just like me and many other consultants here in Quantum Metal, nag-undergo din po kami ng trainings. Okay, and we passed the exam. Okay, these are some of our business partners. So as you can see, no, some of them are banks. Okay, so if without Quantum Metal, on how much more for these banks, diba? So they have the capacity to do due diligence. So kung tayo nagduda kang Quantum Metal, okay, now these banks, these partners have been partners with Quantum Metal for many years already. Okay, so may tiwala na po sila kay Quantum Metal. Also, Quantum Metal is awarded in the financial world for its unique products, no? As I have mentioned earlier, multi-awarded din po ang ating chairman and founder. Okay. Our partner bank in the Philippines is Security Bank. So if you buy gold in Quantum Metal, you have to deposit po to the account of the company, no? Sa Quantum Metal Philippines Incorporated, not to individuals. Okay? Klaro po yan. You can have your own bank, but Quantum Metal maintains bank in Security Bank. Okay, so dito na tayo sa products and features. No, I want you to listen carefully, no, para you can understand our amazing products. Okay, na ino-offer ni Quantum Metal. Okay, now before I go to the specifics, bakit po Quantum Metal Gold? Okay, so no, you can always buy gold from other companies, but why Quantum Metal? So ano po ang difference ni Quantum Metal or edge ni Quantum Metal from other trading companies na nagbebenta ng gold? Okay, number one, we have our own app. Okay, ito pong app natin is downloadable through the Google Play or App Store. So what can you do with the app? No, hindi ka pa nagla-login sa app mo, you already know the price of gold in the world market in dollars. Kung magkano per gram in dollars and in pesos. So, what can you do with the app? You have full control just like online banking. So, you can monitor, you can buy, you can sell, you can withdraw, you can transfer through the app. So, yung concept po kasi ni Quantum Metal is just like online banking, di ba? Sa online banking, our money is in the bank, pero tayo ang may control because nag-download tayo ng app and then we can do whatever we want with our money. So, same concept here in Quantum Metal. Our gold is in Brink, Singapore, but we have the full control of our account. You can withdraw anytime, you can deposit anytime, you can buy gold anytime, di ba? So, same concept. And then we also have this feature, fractional ownership. By its term, fraction, di ba? So, even as little as 600 pesos, you can buy gold from Quantum Metal. Kasi sa ibang companies po, you can only buy by grams, no? But here in Quantum Metal, as low as 600 pesos. So, gold is no longer for the rich only, no? Kay when we speak of gold, most of the time, ang mga tao, ay gold, pang mayaman lang yan, di ba? But here in Quantum Metal, even ordinary people, even students can buy gold from Quantum Metal. In fact, meron po akong mga na-invite, no? My children are registered with Quantum Metal, no? So, because you can buy as low as 600 pesos. Now, liquidity. Ano po itong liquidity? So, in accounting, no, liquidity is nearness to cash. Madali mo siyang maging pera. So, if you have gold in your account in Quantum Metal and you need cash, so there is no need to look for a buyer. Kasi, Quantum Metal will buy the gold from you. No questions asked. Whatever the price of gold in the world market, that is the price that QM will pay directly deposited to your account. So you are very liquid, no? Wala pong bawas 'yan. Kung magkano yung world market price, no? By the time that you press yung sell mo siya or terminate mo yung gold mo, that is the amount that you are going to get. Okay? So you are very liquid. Okay? And then flexibility. So we have products here in Quantum Metal na kahit 10% lang ang down payment, yung balance is payable when you sell your gold. Walang due date, no? Walang due date, walang maintaining, walang kailangan na top up every month, no monthly commitment, no margin call. So you are very flexible. Okay. And then borderless, timeless. Borderless timeless because you can transact online. Okay. As long as the market is open, you have internet connection, you can transact with Quantum Metal. And then you have the option to convert to physical gold, or you may opt to withdraw physical gold. Yeah? So, syempre, physical gold na siya. You just have to just have to pay for the minting cost, yung shipping, of course, yung insurance, no, in transporting your gold. So, the physical gold is available. May 1 gram tayo, 5 grams, 20 grams, 50 grams, 100 grams. So, if you want to buy talaga physical gold, we can arrange that here in Quantum Metal. Okay? And then transferability. This is one of the best features ni QM Gold. Transferability means that you can transfer your gold, no, to one account, from your account to another account holder. So it's very, very convenient. So just like GCash or PayMaya. So ganun lang ang concept ni Quantum Metal. Now, okay pa ba tayo? Are we following? Okay pa po?
Listening.
Okay pa. So I continue.
Okay.
Okay, continue. Kay this one, I'd like you to focus because this is where we can earn money and this is the most interesting po na i-share ni Quantum Metal to everyone. So, yung main goal po ni Quantum Metal is economy recovery solutions, no? Shared prosperity po ang goal ni Quantum Metal because the company recognizes na we all came from the pandemic, no? And we have all been affected by that. So, the original business model po kasi of Quantum Metal is B2B or business to business or bank to banks. But during the pandemic in 2021, the company decided to bring to ordinary individuals via online para kikita yung mga tao. So as of now, we have 4 products, no? We have 4 products: the gold storage account, gold convert account, the gold asset enhance 5 times, and the gold asset 10 times. So, very simple lang po. When you join Quantum Metal, this is what you are going to do. When you join Quantum Metal, ang gagawin lang po natin is you just separate your money. So, separate your money. Dalawa yan. Now, you just separate your money Is your if your money is intended for your expenses, no expenses, for example, mga electricity, mga amortizations, mga loans, unsa ba na, mga bills, di ba? So, if your money is intended for expenses, no, we suggest you put that in the left side, yung gold storage account or GSA and the gold convert account. Why? We are going to recover your expenses if you put your money intended for expenses in the left side na products. But if you have extra, no, extra money, yung money na, for example, extra money, like for example, bigla mong natanggap, no, proceeds from insurance, proceeds ng life insurance, meron kang, for example, tinago-tago na mga pera dyan na hindi mo alam kung saan gagamitin, no? You have money intended for business, 'di ba? Malaki yan, hindi mo alam kung ano ang gagawin, or your money is in the bank, may millions ka na extra money pero nasa bangko siya na ang tubo is very minimal lang siya, no? You can opt to put your money on the right side. This is the gold asset enhanced 5 times or 10 times, no? Yung pera mo na wala pang specific na purpose. Okay? So I'll explain the product one by one, okay? So remember ha, expenses on the left side and then extra money on the right side because I'll explain the products one by one. Okay. So ano tong gold storage account or GSA? So GSA po is just like opening a savings account in gold. So may pera ka, no? You have cash, bili ka ng physical gold, and then you have the option to withdraw physically your gold or leave it in brinks, no? So if it's small quantities lang, no, pag ang ilang grams lang, of course, you can opt to withdraw pag kukonti lang yung gold mo. But if your gold, marami na siya, for example, kilo-kilo na yung nabili mo na gold, it's no longer practical, di ba, to have your gold physically because would it be safe? Di ba? So, saan mo ilalagay? Is it secured or insured ba siya? So, pag malaki na yung gold holdings mo or gold savings mo, you better leave it in brinks, di ba? 100% insured pa siya. Okay? So, less risky siya. And then, the question now is, magkano ang presyo? No, how much is the price of gold when you buy from Quantum Metal? Now, whatever ang price in the world market or LME, yung London Metal Exchange. LME po ang basis natin, no, kasi meron din Shanghai Metal Exchange. So, LME, London Metal Exchange, whatever the price in the world market, 7%. Mag-add lang ng 7% si Quantum Metal. So for example, ang price is 100, then when you buy from Quantum Metal, it's going to be now 107. Kasi magpapatong lang si Quantum Metal ng 7%. So very minimal lang din po siya. Okay? So that is our gold storage account or GSA. Next product is the gold convert account or GCA. Now, you have gold in your storage account, di ba? Now, once may gold ka na, di ba? If your money is already nabili mo na siya ng gold, your money now is locked up in gold, di ba? So, hindi mo siya magiging pera unless ibenta mo siya, di ba? So, unless na hindi mo siya mabenta, naka-gold pa rin siya, no? So here in the gold convert account, no? 'Di ba hindi mo siya, pag gold na siya, you have to wait for the price of gold to go up para magkapera ka, 'di ba? Para ibenta mo yung gold mo. But here in the gold convert account or GCA, no? You may convert or you may borrow or you may loan, no? An equivalent of 85% from the value of your gold. So, pwede mo na kaagad siya ma-convert to cash, 85%. So, you may cash out anytime. Okay. So, this 85% na hiniram mo, no? 'Di ba bawal sa Sharia yung interest. So, Quantum Metal will not charge interest. So, ang i-charge lang po ni Quantum Metal is management fee. Management fee which is 3.5% per annum. So, yearly po yun. 365 days yung 3.5%. So, very minimal lang ang charge. Of course, because Quantum Metal is managing your account. So, kailangan din pong kumita ni Quantum Metal, di ba? So, that's the income of Quantum Metal. 3.5% per annum. So, yung 85% mo po na hiniram, wala siyang due date. Okay. So, payable when able. Okay. You pay the amount that you borrowed, no, when you sell your gold. So, doon mo lang siya babayaran. So, walang pressure to pay the 85%. Okay? So, suppose that you borrow for only less than a year. So, yung 3.5%, kung magkano lang yung days mo nagamit yung 85%, yun lang din ang i-charge ni Quantum Metal. Clear po ba? Or merong nalito sa explanation? Is it clear? Clear? So I will proceed to the next.
It's very clear.
Okay, I'll proceed to the next slide na po, no? So, here, di ba meron tayong expenses every month. Okay? Sometimes, ayoko ng gold, wala akong pera, wala akong pang-investment. But here, I'll ask, di ba lahat tayo may expenses, no? We need to eat, we need to pay tuition. If meron tayong mga anak na nag-aaral, we have loans, utilities, medical fees. If we travel, babayaran natin yun. And then if we are paying amortization for our house or our car. Now, I have a question, especially for first-timers. Meron po tayong first-timers ba dito? No? If you are a first-timer, I have a question. These monthly expenses po, if bayaran na natin yung ating mga monthly expenses, lumabas na sa ating bulsa, it goes out of our hands. The question is, can we still recover yung pera na nilabas natin? Anybody can answer? Can we still recover yung pera na binayad natin?
No.
No. Perfect no. Ma'am Jenny, no.
We cannot recover anymore.
No anymore, di ba, ma'am? So, of course, it's a big no. But I have another question that if you take this question seriously, I'm sure hindi talaga kayo makatulog. No? So, the next question is, what if? No? What if you can recover all the money that you have spent? Lahat ng nagastos mo. Would you be interested to recover all the money that you have spent?
Yes, of course. We are very much interested.
Diba? Interested. So, this is what we are actually doing right now, no? This is the usual way of spending. If we have income, no? May income tayo. What do we do with our income? We pay for our expenses. Now, income, expenses. Pag kulang, what do we do, ma'am? Ngutang, no? Pag social credit card. So, maglo-loan tayo to cover for the kulang. Now, the question is, di ba kailangan din natin bayaran yung ating loans or utang? Now, if pagbayaran natin ng utang, saan naman natin kukunin ang pangbayad ng utang? Di ba? So, the tendency is, mangungutang na naman tayo para ibayad sa utang. That is why it's called the poor mindset. No, this is usual po sa mga employees, no? Sa mga employees na may sweldo, bayad sa expenses, hindi pa dumating ang sweldo, nag-utang na, no? And it's a cycle, no? Until such time that we decide to retire. By the time we retire, pangbayad ng utang. So yung konting natira, yun na. By the time we also retire, during that time, 60 years old, no? 65 years old, marami na ring mga sakit. Okay? So, yun na. Lalong magkakautang. Ano pala daw ang rich mindset? So, according to a renowned author, if you know Robert Kiyosaki, na ako, I'm an avid fan of Robert Kiyosaki. I have most of his books in collection. Ang rich mindset daw is you have to pay yourself first, no? You have to buy an asset from your income daw. If you have money, you have to buy asset which generates income to pay for your loans and expenses. Yan po daw ang rich mindset. So yung rich mindset, in-apply po yan ni quantum metal. So what is the quantum metal way? Okay, here in quantum metal, what we suggest is if you have income, wag mo munang ibayad sa expenses mo. Okay? Buy gold first. No? As much as you can, as fast as you can, you buy gold first. 100%. Yes, 100%. No? So, what about the expenses? Patay na yung mga expenses natin. Binili mo na lahat ng gold. What you do is you withdraw the 85% cash. Kasi here in quantum metal, di ba, you can withdraw from the value of your gold 85% cash. So, saka mo babayaran yung mga expenses. Now, question, if na-withdraw mo na yung cash na 85%, no, especially for the guest, if na-withdraw mo na yung cash 85%, how much is left? Or magkano na lang ang natira sa pera mo? How much? Diba?
15.
Binili mo lahat 100%, pero withdraw mo yung 85%. How much is left?
15%.
15%. Tama, 15%. Now, here is the secret. Remember, ang question ko po is, ano po ang withdraw mo? Did you withdraw cash or gold? Di po ba you withdraw cash? Exactly, cash. It means to say, yung gold mo is still with quantum metal. So, meaning, you preserve the 100% value of your gold. Kasi hiniram mo lang man yung value ng gold mo na nabili in quantum metal. So, hindi po 15% ang natira. Your 100% gold is still preserved. So, if the price of gold increase, no, in the world market, sasabay ang gold mo 100%. Okay? So, if the increase is more than the 85% na gi-withdraw mo, then you have recovered yung mga expenses mo. So, here in gold, you let the increase in value pay for the amount that you have withdrawn. Hindi mo na kailangan ibalik yung gi-withdraw mo na cash because you are going to let gold example para mas maintindihan natin. No? Assuming po you buy gold for 10,000. Okay? Nilagay mo siya sa GSA mo. Nasa gold storage account mo. But your 10,000 is intended for expenses. So, winidraw mo yung 85% or 8,500. Binayaran mo yung expenses mo. Now, doing that monthly in 1 year, makabili ka na ng gold na 120,000. Diba? But you also withdraw 102,000 which is 85% kasi pambayad nga siya sa expenses. Now, in 5 years, doing that, in 5 years, makabili ka na ng gold worth 600,000. Okay? But in reality, na-withdraw mo na rin yung 510,000. Kasi yan yung 85%. Assuming lang in the 5 years na ginawa mo ito, after 5 years, nag-double. Nag-double ang price ni gold in the world market. Possible po ba na mag-double ang presyo ni gold in 5 years' time? Is it possible? Possible, di ba? Na mag-double ang price ni gold in the world market in 5 years. Nakita nyo yung graph kanina, di ba? So, possible siya. Now, your 600,000 na binili na gold will now become 1.2 million. So yung 1.2 million, remember na withdraw mo yung 510,000? So, i-deduct na ngayon ni Quantum Metal, hindi mo kailangan isoli yung 85% na yon. I-deduct lang ni Quantum Metal yung 85% na ni-loan mo or withdraw mo or kinonvert mo plus the 3.5% annual management fee, more or less mga 600,000 din yan, you now have extra 600,000. So, see, just imagine, kung ginastos mo na lahat yung 600,000, wala na. Hindi mo na siya ma-recover. But because binili mo muna siya ng gold in Quantum Metal, you now have a chance to recover lahat ng ginastos mo. Diba? So, for the first time in history, nag-spend ka ng 510,000, pero because nag-double ang price ni gold in 5 years, in 5 years then, you earn 600,000. So, no, as a CPA, hindi ko po mapaniwala, no, kaya it took me a long time to believe in Quantum Metal because as an accountant, as a CPA, I never believed that an expense can be an asset. Never po yan mangyayari in accounting. But here in Quantum Metal, it is possible. Okay? So, possible po pala siya in Quantum Metal. So, another example, if you have car amortization, di ba? Normally, the car, it's 5 years to pay. So, what you do, the Quantum Metal way, bago mo bayaran si bangko, bili ka muna ng gold in Quantum Metal. Magdadagdag ka lang ng 15% para yung ma-withdraw mo is equivalent to the monthly car amortization mo. So, just imagine doing that in 5 years. So, in 5 years time, for example, di ba? Sa'yo na yung kotse, bayad ka na sa bangko, meron ka pang extra na-recover mo pa ang ginastos mo sa iyong kotse. Now, di ba amazing siya? So, another example, for example, mga OFWs. I believe almost all of us merong kakilala na OFWs. So, if the OFWs understand this concept, no? Bago nila ipadala, kasi di ba ang problema sa OFW, after working so hard sa abroad, when they come home, anong mangyayari sa kanila? They bring so much money, pero one day millionaire, ubos kaagad. But if the OFW understands this concept, bago sila, while still working abroad, no? Bago nila ipadala here in the Philippines, yung mga padala nila na pera, they buy gold first from Quantum Metal, withdraw the 85%, and then after so many years working abroad, when they come home, kahit sabihin pa nung mga relatives nila or pinadala nila ng pera na naubos na yung pera na napadala ng OFW, the OFW has still a chance to recover because pinasok niya muna kay Quantum Metal o binili niya muna ng gold. So, amazing, di ba? Amazing, dili. Oh, nagbisaya na po. So, amazing. So, very amazing concept. And it's only here in Quantum Metal that it is being shared to all. So, very amazing po. Okay? So, nakuha niyo po yung concept? Okay po ba? Was it clear? So, this is our very amazing concept, no? Of Quantum Metal. Now, remember po, Quantum Metal, this product, the GSA and GCA are intended to recover your expenses. So, klaro ha, bago natin igastos, bili ka muna ng gold in Quantum Metal so that you have a chance to recover. Okay. Now, we go to the extra money. So, pag may mga pera tayo dyan na extra, we still don't know what to do with the money, we suggest you put here in this product. So, warning lang po, do not put money here in this product if intended po for expenses. Kasi malulugi ka if you put your expenses here. You cannot withdraw 85% from this product. So, dapat na dito na product, you should have holding power. Anong ibig sabihin? You can wait, no? You can wait when the gold price goes up so you can sell, and then you can wait when it goes down so you can buy. Okay? Because we do not know when the gold, when yung taas baba ng gold. So, dapat may holding power ka. This product is sold per unit. Now, you can buy more, but minimum purchase po is 1 unit. So, per unit is $250 or around 14,000 pesos, no? So, that's 14,000. Once you buy 1 unit, okay, yung 1 unit mo kasi, for example, yung 1 gram is, assuming 1 gram is $60, yung $250 mo na 1 unit can buy you 4.16 grams. Pero ang feature ng product na to, when you buy 1 unit, papahiramin ka ni company ng 9 units equivalent to 9. Gagawin niyang times 10. So, ano ang significance? Instead na makabili ka lang ng 4.16 grams, ang mabibili mo ngayon is worth 2,500 na or 41.6 grams. So, for example, if the price of gold goes up by 10% lang, assuming lang 10%, the 10% will on the 2,500 or the 41.6 grams. 10 times 2.5 is 250. Now, 250 is already 100% of your puhunan. Okay? So, technically, it only takes 10% in the increase of gold for your puhunan, for your 1 unit na ma-recover mo siya. Okay? Now, what is the catch here? No, bakit papahiramin tayo ni Quantum Metal ng 9 units? Diba? So, yung 9 units na papahiram ni Quantum Metal, ipapasabay lang niya sa iyo because this is the feature of GAI 10X. And because pinapahiram tayo ni Quantum Metal, and Quantum Metal needs to earn also, kasi legit nga si Quantum Metal, diba? It has to earn. Magcha-charge din si Quantum Metal ng 3.5% dun lang sa 9 units na hiniram natin. Okay? So, it's again 3.5% per annum pa rin siya. So, 365 days. And again, wala po itong due date. Okay? And also, GAI 10X, ang spread po ni or patong ni Quantum Metal sa GAI 10X is only 3%. Sa GSA, di ba, 7%? Here in GAI 10X, it's only 3%. And also here in the GAI 10X, kaya killer product po ito, we can do the compounding here in GAI 10X. So you buy low and then sell at again and then buy again, no? So you can do compounding here in Quantum, which is mas maganda siya, mas malaki ang kikitain mo here in GAI 10X. So in pesos, no, in pesos, assuming meron kang 1 million, no, bumili ka ng 1 million, papahiraman ka ni Quantum Metal ng worth 9 million. So, ang magiging holdings mo is worth 10 million. If the price of gold increase ng 10%, 10% times 10 million is 1 million. So, yung 10 million mo magiging 11 million. So, pag ibenta mo na siya, 11 million mo, i-deduct na ni Quantum Metal yung 9 million na hiniram mo. So, you now have 2 million. Diba? Amazing siya. So, yung 2 million, kunyari, hindi mo siya i-withdraw, bibili mo pa rin siya ulit ng 10x. So, magiging 2 million na siya, ita-times 10 ulit ni Quantum Metal, yung 2 million mo, magiging 20 million na. Diba? And remember, you don't even have to sell or to terminate or ibenta mo kay Quantum Metal yung gold mo ng 10%. it's your own call, no? If you are already satisfied with your gain, you can sell anytime kasi wala naman tayong holding period. So just imagine if you have 10 units or more, 'di ba? So sa 1 unit lang nag 10% ka, what if sa 1 unit lang nagkita ka ng, for example, 2,000 pesos lang. What if you have 10 units? Di may 20,000 ka na gain. Diba? So, that's the beauty of the GAI 10X. Okay? So, klaro po ba? Or are you still there?
Very clear.
Clear. Okay, so eto po next slide, I'm going to show you lang po if you buy your gold from the jewelry store, no, yung equivalent po na 14,000 or 1 unit, if the price of gold is 3,000, makakabili ka ng 4.67 grams, no? So, however, if the price of gold nag-increase siya ng 3,500, so yung 14,000 mo magiging 16,345. But if your 14,000 extra money pala siya, no, nilagay mo sa kay Quantum Metal, binili mo kay Quantum Metal na 10x, yung 14,000 mo at 3,000 per gram, instead na 4.67 lang ang mabili mo, you will now have 46.7 grams. So, if the price of gold nag-increase lang siya ng 500 pesos or naging 3,500, 500 pesos increase times the 46.7 grams, may profit ka na 37,350. So, see? Same capital, same buying price. Mag-iiba yung weight of gold. Same selling price. Different na yung profit. Mas malaki na kay Quantum Metal. And then the next slide is compare lang po pag if you buy jewelry, kasi di ba maganda din po yung jewelry kasi nag-appreciate din ng value. However, I mean, real estate, no? Real estate po. Maganda yung real estate, yung properties. Now, if you buy property, ang problema sa property is you are not very liquid in property. Kasi, di ba, mahirap maghanap ng buyer sa property. It's very, hindi rin siya flexible, hindi ka liquid, hindi mo basta-basta mabenta ang property. And then, hindi borderless si property because wherever the property is, you have to go there. Doon ka dapat mag-transact. And then mataas ang tax ni property. However, here in Quantum Metal, no, yung GAI 10X natin, very hassle-free, low lang, management fee lang, walang interest. You are very liquid, very flexible, hassle-free, and tax-free. And of course, here in Quantum Metal, if you decide to do this business, this Quantum Metal, no, na full-time, you can earn as much as 20% na commission payout. Okay. Para ma-appreciate natin ang Quantum Metal products, here I'm going to show you, this is the actual data, no, ng gold price performance. In the last 5 years, nag 101% na increase si Quantum Metal or more than double na yung price ni Quantum Metal. In the last 20 years, nag more than 500% na or nag times 5 na. So just imagine, no? If you have gold 20 years ago, nag times 5 na pala ang value niya. Now, taking this data in consideration, i-assume natin na, okay, in 2019, ang actual price ng gold that time is 2,200 pa per gram. Actual price yan. But this year, it's around 4,400 na. So, taking the data in consideration, nag-increase na siya ng 101%, di ba? So, if bumili ka ng gold, no, from Quantum Metal, nilagay mo siya sa GSA mo worth 1 million, pero yung 1 million na yan is pang expenses mo pala siya. So, ni-withdraw mo yung 850,000 cash. So, yung 1 million mo, at the rate of 101% after 5 years, magiging 2,014,000 na siya. Diba? Now, benta mo siya kasi nagdoble na. For example, after 5 years, benta mo siya kay Quantum Metal, Now, i-deduct na ngayon ni Quantum Metal yung kinuha mo na pera. You don't have to return the money. Dideduct lang ni Quantum Metal. Kuha mo yung sobra. Magkano yung sobra? You now have extra 1,164,900. Amazing, diba? So, instead na ginastos mo lahat yung 1 million mo, because binili mo lang siya, binili mo muna kay Quantum Metal, nilagay mo sa GSA, nag-convert ka lang ng 85%, after 5 years using the increased data na 101%, may extra ka pa na 1,064,000. Diba? Amazing concept. But here is what is more amazing. If yung 1 million mo pala is extra money siya, no? Extra money siya, binili mo siya ng GAI 10X. So, 'di ba ang feature ni GAI 10X, for every 1 unit, papahiramin ka ng 9. So, yung 1 million mo magiging 10 million. Imagine, nag-increase siya ng 101%. So, yung 10 million mo magiging 20 million. 20,149,000. I-deduct na ngayon ni Quantum Metal yung 9 million na pinahiram sa'yo. No? So, imagine, you now have additional cash of 11,149,000. Kaya itong GAI 10X, this is what we call in Quantum Metal the killer product. Okay. So, totoo ba talaga yan that you can earn as much as 11,000? Here, I'm going to show you some testimonials. No? Dito na tayo sa testimonials. Totoo ba talaga nakikita ka sa Quantum Metal? Now, dito example, bumili siya ng 10 units last October 2. Ang price that time was 58,683. Pero after 17 days, kay bigla man nag-increase ang price ni gold in the world market. So, binenta niya kaagad, no? Kasi di ba walang holding period. You can sell your gold anytime as long as nag-gain na siya. So, after 17 days, yung 10 units niya nag-gain ng 54,883. Imagine, in 17 days. Again, wala po siyang guarantee, di ba? Kasi you don't know when the gold goes up. But here in actual na scenario, nag-gain siya ng 54,000 because nag-increase ang gold in the world market at binenta na niya yung gold niya in Quantum Metal. Okay, another example, bumili siya ng 16 units last November 11. Yung gold price last November 11, 2023, 62.24. Pero after 23 days, bigla mang nag-68 ang price ni gold. So, binenta niya noong December 4. Nag-gain siya ng 122,815. So, di ba? Amazing. 23 days lang. No, you cannot find it anywhere else na magigain ka ng 122,000 except siguro kung scam o no, mga pyramiding. So magigain ka, but this one is legitimately earned 122,000. So as you can see here also, the more units na you buy, the more din ang magiging potential na profit mo. Okay? So now, given na yan na-understand po ba natin ang concept ni GAI 10X? Amazing or hindi? Amazing or amazing?
Super amazing.
Super amazing, diba? Si GAI 10X. Now, eto pong na pinakita ko sa inyo, this is how we earn from our own, no? Sa yung gold natin na binili from Quantum Metal. So, given na po yan, now we will earn in our gold trading. Okay. Now, I am going to show you how to earn real passive income here in Quantum Metal. Because sabi nga, no, if you will not earn while sleeping, you will work for the rest of your life. So, here in Quantum Metal, you can also earn referral income. So, for you to earn referral income, you have to qualify to become a consultant. So, what will you do? Ano po ang qualification para ka maging consultant? First and foremost, you have to become an introducer first. No? Ano po yung introducer? Bili ka lang ng 1 unit. 1 unit lang ng Guide 10X, you now become introducer or white. No? Yung belting color niya is white. Okay. So, pag white ka na, what can you gain or ano po ang benefit pag white ka na? Okay? This is the referral system of Quantum Metal. Pag nag-white ka na, okay, so introducer ka na, you now have a chance when you buy, no, when you buy GAI 10X, lahat ng succeeding bilhin mo na GAI 10X, you now have a discount or a rebate or a cashback of 2%. So, di ba, the GAI 10X is 3% siya. So, pag bumili ka ng 10X, technically, 3% din ang i-charge sa'yo, but ibabalik sa'yo yung 2%. So, parang 1% na lang ang patong ni Quantum Metal sa'yo. So, that is the benefit pag nag-white ka na. And also, you will earn 2% commission kasi introducer ka na. You can now introduce Quantum Metal to your friends, to your family, or kahit sino na pwede namang ma-share ng Quantum Metal. You now earn 2% on their first purchase. Sa first purchase lang po nila, no? Why? Because once they purchase, magiging introducer na rin sila. Diba? So, para ka mag-income, you now have to become, mag-aim ka na yellow. So, like ako, I'm already yellow. So, I'm now a consultant. I underwent training and then I also took the exam. So, certified consultant po ako ni Quantum Metal, just like most of those consultant na nandito. No? So, you have to be promoted to yellow. So, ano po ang benefit pag nag-consultant ka here in Quantum Metal? You now have a chance po to earn 7%. No? 7% commission. Sa lahat po nung direct mo na ma-invite, no? Pag for first nila na purchase, you now earn a commission of 7%. If ang nag-purchase is introducer na siya, you will have an earning of 5%. So mag-override ka ng 5% sa lahat ng introducers mo and lahat nung nasa linya mo, sa link mo under your link na hindi pa yellow. Okay, that's the beauty of being consultant. So how to qualify to be yellow? You just have 5 introducers na direct mo, not 5 lang. 5 introducers. Minimum po ha, pwedeng 6, pwedeng 20, pwedeng 30, basta minimum of 5. Mag-total lang yung lahat ng direct mo ng 30 units or $7,500 na cumulative sale. You will now be promoted to yellow. So, eto po is all cumulative, no? Walang required na monthly purchase, walang qualifying, walang quota, walang cut-off, no? So, this is how we are distinguished from networking. Kasi yung networking po, kailangan mong may qualifying ka para mo makuha yung commission. But here in Quantum Metal, wala pong mga ganun. So, you can be yellow in as fast as 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or ilang months. Basta all cumulative po siya. Magdagdag lang siya ng magdagdag. Okay? And ang maganda po, which is what I really love here in Quantum Metal, is even if nabenta mo na or na-terminate mo na yung GAI 10X, no, yung units mo, tapos binili siya ulit, still counted pa rin yung nabenta na units. No? Kasi counted na yun siya. Nagdagdag ka, so mas madali na siya. No? Mas madali. If you really understand Quantum Metal. Yun po ang maganda here. Now, I'm going to show you my own testimony. No? So, this is my statement ito po yung aking na-earn from Quantum Metal last month. Diba? I became consultant last March. So last March, I earned around mga siguro 1,000, mga 60,000 no, na pesos last March. But this one, no, I downloaded my statement last month. So, kasi today is August 5. So, I downloaded my July 1 to 31. If you can see, meron po dyan nakalagay na reward received. So, yung reward na receive ko for the month of July is around $1,614.93. Yan po is reward ko as a consultant, no? So around more or less mga siguro 93,000 pesos. That is passive income. No, I just shared Quantum Metal to my friends, to my family, and every time, no, every time they buy, because yellow na ako, no, wala pang nag-yellow dun sa mga lahat ng in-invite ko, sa lahat ng introducers na bumili, I earn 5%, and then sa GSA, meron din akong earnings. So, no, if they understand this concept and you become yellow, yung mga lahat ng mga invite mo, lahat sila, if they understand and they keep on buying, you also keep on earning, no? Of course, most of this income, binili ko ulit ng GAI 10X kay, syempre, I want to gain more. Okay? So, yung gain ko, if you can see there na meron akong gold buyback. Because last month, nakapagbenta po ako or nakapag-terminate ako ng aking GAI 10X. So, yun. I also have earnings. So, here in Quantum Metal, you earn from the gains of your gold and you also earn passive income from those na na-sharean mo ng Quantum Metal. 'Di ba? Amazing siya. Amazing, no? That's for me, that's my side hustle apart from my regular na income as a mining employee. So, eto po, this is from Malaysia, no? Nag-earn siya in one day lang around $269,000. No, this is one of the top dealers in Malaysia. In pesos, that's 15 million earning in one day. Grabe ka, amazing ang Quantum Metal. Okay. Here, I'm going to show you a video of Ma'am Jillian. So, si Ma'am Jillian is one of the first consultants in the Philippines, no? Nag-withdraw siya ng gold in Malaysia. Actually, kasama po ako dun sa team, no? The first group that went to Malaysia last May. So, na-experience ko po how to withdraw physical gold in Malaysia. And then, napuntahan din po namin itong office ni Quantum Metal in Malaysia. So, for me personally, no, as an accountant, that is part of the due diligence that I did sa Quantum Metal, no. I really went to Malaysia para i-check yung legitimacy ni Quantum Metal. Ayaw mag-play. Ayun.
Hi. I'm going to withdraw the Quantum Metal gold. One program and one telegram. See? Yeah. So next time you come here to Canada, we want to enjoy the food. Ciao.
Okay, ciao. So, So that is Sir Marine, no? Sir Marine with his gold. Okay, actually, tapos na po tayo, no? So, my last slide is, eto po yung question na I will leave all to you. So, no, if you had a chance to listen today and gawin yung QM, yung quantum metal, so what do you think will happen 5 or 10 years from now? Just imagine po, no, what happens 5 or 10 years from now doing quantum metal. So, here in quantum metal, you can preserve your assets, you enhance your wealth, and recover your expenses through gold. So I urge, especially those first timers, you start now. No, join us. Join the family of Quantum Metal. Okay, para share po tayo, shared prosperity. So how to register? No, how to join Quantum Metal? Just contact po the person na nag-invite sa inyo in Quantum Metal. They can help you out po, no? So here in Quantum Metal po, wala po siyang, kasi hindi mo po tayo networking or MLM, registration is free. Okay? Free po ang registration in Quantum Metal. You just click the link of the person who invited you. So ask the person who invited you sa kanyang referral link, and then you are now free to register. Just prepare your valid ID. ID po, passport, national ID, passport, SSS, driver's license, professional ID, no? PRC ID, pwede po siya. Hindi po pwede ang senior, yung mga TIN, no? Hindi po pwede yon. Basta yung valid ID lang as accepted. Excuse me. And then once registered, you can now download the QM Gold Global app on your phone. So you can transact na anywhere, no, mobile. And you can also visit our website, the quantummetal.com.ph. Okay, with that, I end my presentation. So, nasa Q&A na tayo. Do you have any questions po? You can now turn on your microphones so you can ask questions, and some of the okay, I see a question here from Sir Arthur. Ma'am, good evening. Ask ko lang po if bumili po ng 2 units ng GAI 10X, magiging 20 units po total holdings ko. Tama po ba? Yes, sir. Magta times 10 po siya. Equivalent po. Ang gagawin po is i-convert niya, 'di ba, sa gold. So instead na 2 units lang yung worth of gold mo na holdings, magiging 20 units equivalent po siya. Kasi ita times 10 ni Quantum Metal. Okay? Klaro po ba, sir? You can turn on your microphone po if you like. Yung sa mga may na-confuse or you have anything more to ask na hindi natin na-cover. Okay na po ba tayo? You're welcome, Sir Arthur. Okay. So, any questions? So, probably. Love you. Well, thank you, ma'am. At least clear po. Baka may hindi clear sa iba, no? For Cebu, we will see you. We will be there on August 17 po sa event natin sa City Sports. Ano yun? City Sports Club. So, we will be there po. See you there in Cebu. August 17. Thank you, Ma'am Jen. So, okay na po. So, I will just probably... Okay,
You're
how many days po
welcome.
ba ma-deposit ang 85% sa GSA, GCA? Okay. So, here in Quantum Metal po, meron po tayong KYC, no? Know your customer. So, of course, Quantum Metal will need to verify po na yung dapat yung ni-register mo na name in Quantum Metal is the same with your ID as well as your bank account. Kasi yung bank account mo na na-register in Quantum Metal, ay dun din po i-deposit ni Quantum Metal ang 85% mo or your commission when you opt to withdraw. You are going to receive as long as you are already KYC approved within 5 banking days po. Nasa inyo na yung pera ninyo, no? Yung pera na i-deposit. So, within 5 banking days. But for those na naka-experience na, no, like me, I have already experienced so many GSA, GCA na. So, hindi talaga siya aabot ng 5 banking days. But we always do, parang may allowance lang ba? Kasi sometimes, di ba, walang banking days during Saturdays and Sundays. And sometimes, holiday siya, no? So may times even na nag-GSA, GCA ka today, tomorrow you'll get the money na. So madali lang po, sandali lang yung GSA, GCA. So no, imagine if kung scam pa si Quantum Metal, no, or pyramiding, hindi kanya papa-withdraw ng worth 85%. Diba? Papaiwan niya muna yung 100% muna pera with Quantum Metal. Later mo na kukunin pag meron ng pumasok na iba na magbibigay din or bibili rin. But here in Quantum Metal, we are very legit. So, no? Yun po. Okay po, Madam Malu. So, any other question po? Probably I'll entertain 1 or 2 more kasi it's already 9 past 9. Okay? So, thank you. Can you turn on your, ano na? Pwede tayo mag-picture, ma'am, no? Wait. Ma'am Jenny? Ma'am Jenny ni? Ma'am Jen of Security?
Yes.
Hi, Ma'am Jenny.
Hello.
Thank you, ma'am. So, see, naatay kauban. No, meron tayong kasama here from Security Bank. Thank you to all the participants. So, I think wala nang questions. So, thank you everyone and good morning. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you po.
Bye-bye. Good
Bye.
morning.
Good morning.
See you on 17.
See you on August 17 in Cebu.